All right, here we are. We're transplanting some basil. It started out in this tray. You can see we have a lot of different cells, so this will be a ton of plants. We wrote down the date. This basil was started in early March. We have two different varieties, sweet basil and Thai basil here. Right now we're doing the sweet basil, and what we're doing is we're potting it up. This is a little bit bigger tray with some bigger cells, and then these are actually the 6-packs. And so you can see what we do is we take the basil, and these have, if you can look inside, there's holes in the bottom, so there's a couple options. What you can do is you can grab a stick, poke it through the bottom and poke it out, or you can use that stick as a lever and get it in there and wiggle this around and gently pull it out. Now that may lose some soil from the roots, so we try to maintain as much of that soil as we can. For the basil, we want to put them 1 per cell. So some of these, when we plant the seeds, you can see this had 4. We try to do 2 seeds, but the basil seeds are a lot, so it's more. So if you get more than 1 per cell, then you just separate it. And then we'll put them in and put a little soil on the bottom of the tray. Put the plant in, and now you can see we're covering them. And so that's the process. And then always make sure you water. And what we're just using is a compost. We have our seed mix here with some compost, and it should be enough for these plants to do well. We may fertilize them one time. All right, there it is, basil.